Unlock the secret to supercharging your newsletter income with Beehiiv's powerful boost feature. First, log into your Beehiiv account and navigate to the Monetization tab in your dashboard. This is where the magic happens, and we're going to focus on the game-changing Boost feature. Click on Boost. This feature allows you to offer exclusive, premium content or perks to your most engaged subscribers, turning them into paying supporters and significantly increasing your revenue. To get started, click Create a Boost. You'll need to give your boost a compelling title that clearly communicates its value. Think of it as a special offer for your superfans. Your title should be catchy and benefit-driven. For instance, unlock exclusive insights or get early access are great starting points. Next, write a persuasive description. Clearly outline what subscribers will receive by purchasing this boost. Highlight the unique benefits they won't find anywhere else. The more value you communicate, the more likely they are to subscribe. Think about what makes your premium offering special. Is it exclusive content, community access, direct interaction, or something else entirely? Be specific. Now, let's talk price. Beehiiv offers flexible pricing. You can set a one-time fee or a recurring subscription. Consider the value you're providing and research what similar premium offerings charge. Don't be afraid to experiment with different price points to see what resonates best with your audience. Remember, this is for your dedicated supporters who want more from your newsletter. Once you've finalized your title, description, and pricing, hit publish or save. Your boost is now live and ready to attract new paying subscribers. Now, promote your boost. Mention it in your regular newsletters, highlight its benefits on social media, and make sure it's easily discoverable on your Beehiiv page. The more you promote, the more you'll earn. By strategically using Beehiiv's boost feature, you can create recurring revenue streams and significantly grow your income. Start boosting your newsletter monetization today.